Approach good day Turkish 79er Kilo Heavy, proceeding Monks 7000.
79 Kilo Heavy, Chicago approach, expect runway 28 center.
Expect runway 28 center, maintain change 1000, Turkish 79 Kilo Heavy. Final Turkish 79 Kilo Heavy, any speed restriction for us?
Say again?
Any speed restriction for us? We are now reducing speed, Turkish 79 Kilo.
What's the call sign?
This is Turkish 79er Kilo Heavy. Can we reduce the speed?
No, maintain your assigned speed of 250 knots until you're advised.
Roger, maintaining 250, Turkish 79 Kilo. Lettering 30 intercept, localizer, Turkish 79er Kilo Heavy.
Turkish 79 Kilo Heavy, you're 10 miles from Rizuko. Cross Rizuko at 5,000, cleared ILS approach, runway 28 center, speed 210.
Speed 210, cross Rizuko at 5,000 feet, cleared ILS approach, runway 28 center, Turkish 79.
79 Kilo Heavy, turn right on Papa and hold short of Golf Golf.
Turn right on Papa, hold short of Golf Golf, Turkish 79 Kilo.
Turkish 79 Kilo Heavy, where do you park today?
Parking bay is Mike 21, Turkish 79 Kilo. 132.7, Turkish 79 Kilo. Runway 28 right, turn left on November and contact ground after cross 121.9, Turkish 79 Kilo.